Women over 40 deserve to have someone name what's happening to them. Perimenopause. Menopause is 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period. That's the finish line. Perimenopause is the entire race leading up to it. It's the transitional phase, typically lasting 4 to 10 years. It most commonly begins in a woman's mid to late 40s, though it can start as early as the late 30s. An estimated 75% of women experience significant symptoms. Many have no idea why. A woman is born with a finite number of ovarian follicles. By the time many women reach their 40s, the remaining follicle pool becomes significantly smaller, and the ovaries may respond less predictably to hormonal signals from the brain. This is where communication between the brain and ovaries starts to become less consistent. The brain sends hormonal signals to recruit and mature follicles. But as the ovarian reserve declines, the ovaries don't always respond in a predictable way. As a result, estrogen production becomes increasingly erratic. It can surge unusually high during one cycle, then drop sharply in the next, or even fluctuate dramatically within the same cycle. This hormonal volatility drives many of the symptoms associated with perimenopause. And because estrogen receptors exist throughout the body, these changes can affect far more than just reproduction.
I used to be able to set a clock by my cycle. Now I never know when it's coming.
Menstrual irregularity. This is usually the first sign. Cycles may become shorter. A woman who had 28-day cycles might find herself at 22 days. Or they lengthen. Or they skip entirely for a month or two, then return. Flow can also change. Lighter, heavier, or with new clotting. Heavy bleeding, soaking through a pad or tampon every 1 to 2 hours consistently. Your period may become heavier before it disappears completely.
I wore black every single day that week, just in case.
Hot flashes and night sweats. Up to 80% of perimenopausal women experience hot flashes and night sweats.
I'd be sitting in a meeting and suddenly feel like I was on fire, and no one else in the room noticed anything.
A hot flash is a sudden sensation of intense heat, typically beginning in the chest and rising to the face and neck, accompanied by flushing and sweating, and sometimes a rapid heartbeat. They typically last between 1 and 5 minutes. The underlying mechanism involves fluctuating estrogen levels, disrupting the hypothalamus, the part of the brain that helps regulate body temperature. Night sweats are simply hot flashes occurring during sleep.
I fall asleep fine, but I wake up at 3 a.m. and I can't get back to sleep.
That 3 a.m. awakening is often due to a night sweat, subtle enough that they don't feel hot, but significant enough to pull them out of deep sleep. Over months, this becomes chronic sleep deprivation. Mood changes.
I snapped at my kids over nothing and then cried in the bathroom for 10 minutes. That wasn't me.
Estrogen influences serotonin and GABA pathways in the brain. As levels fluctuate, some women experience irritability, anxiety, and low mood. Cognitive symptoms.
I went into the kitchen and forgot why I was there.
Memory lapses and difficulty concentrating are among the most distressing symptoms of perimenopause. Many women describe walking into a room and forgetting why they're there, or struggling to focus at work, which can sometimes feel similar to early memory decline or dementia-like symptoms. Current evidence suggests these cognitive changes are often temporary and are largely linked to fluctuating estrogen levels, sleep disruption, stress, and mood changes during the menopausal transition. For many women, these symptoms improve once hormone levels stabilize after the transition is complete. Physical symptoms. As estrogen levels fluctuate and gradually decline, the effects can show up in surprising ways throughout the body.
I thought I'd suddenly developed arthritis overnight.
Some women experience joint pain and stiffness as estrogen's anti-inflammatory effects weaken. Others notice heart palpitations, episodes of dizziness, or even tinnitus, a ringing or buzzing in the ears. Breast tissue can also change, sometimes feeling more tender, swollen, or sensitive. As estrogen levels decline, fat distribution may shift, and the body begins storing more fat in the abdomen. Changes in skin and sweat glands may lead to itchy skin or unexpected body odor changes. Declining estrogen can also affect moisture-producing tissues throughout the body. Some women experience dry eyes as tear production changes. It can also affect the vaginal and urinary tissues, leading to dryness, irritation, or discomfort during intimacy as the tissue becomes thinner, less elastic, and less naturally lubricated. Libido may shift as well, decreasing for some women while increasing for others.
I didn't recognize my own body anymore, and nobody had told me this was coming.
While these symptoms can feel random, many are linked to the widespread effects of hormonal fluctuations during perimenopause. A woman may experience 6 months of intense symptoms, then feel completely fine, only for the symptoms to return again. Perimenopause is a temporary transition, and for most women, symptoms improve once hormone levels eventually stabilize. You don't have to manage this alone. A conversation with your doctor can change everything.